Everybody, Steve Tristan here. Today I'd like to show you how to remove paint from a window screen. Okay, this is the window screen that before Aiden Tristan cleaned. He did a comparison between the two Screen Magic as well as washing with dish soap and water. And he didn't concentrate on the paint stain. So there's an old paint stain here that we want to be ahead and remove. So first though, what I'm going to do is just kind of wash this whole thing with soap and water all together. Okay, so before we get started though, do me a favor and give that video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so already, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so just quickly, I'm going to use the brush and some soap and water, rub down the whole screen. Okay, that's where the paint is. Okay, flip it over, down really good. You can see what the paint stain is right there. Scrub it just a little bit with this, okay? And then, for the entire purpose of the entire window screen, we just rinse it off. But for the paint stain, I'm going to apply more soap. But first, I'm going to rinse this off. Okay, so I'm just going to rinse this off. Some dirt on there. So once you wash your window screens, and then just wipe them down with a rag, and then set them out in the sun, let them dry before you put them back in the window. Okay, so I determined that the paint was on the inside of the window screen. You can see here it's it's rougher. It's covering the mesh. So what I'm going to use is a soft bristle brush here, and just kind of work this out. Hope that this is water-based paint. Without having to use any kind of solvent. And then you just scrub it. And you can soft so that way it doesn't mess with the screen. Now here, the good thing is this screen is very tough. So I'm going to go with a hard sponge as well, or happy face sponge. See? And I'm going to see if that'll work that in there a little bit. It's a little elbow grease here. See if this will help break this down a little bit. So, make it sit here longer. Starting to come up. Yep, some of it's coming off. Okay, now I have a little trick here I'm going to show you. Okay, so some simple green. I'm going to give this a shot. I know it works good on grease. Paint, I have no clue, so we're going to give it a shot. Now, I'm almost out, so I'm hoping I could just spray some here. I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit for a minute and let it work its magic. I'm scrubbing with the brush again. It'll come off. I'm gonna get in between everything. Very soft brush though, so I think the sponge is what was working better earlier. Try to get it in different directions. Different side here. Literally using my nail to just kind of pull it off. I made it softer, but just gotta keep working it. There's a lot of concrete. Now these little pieces here I see, they're in between the screen. So what I'm gonna do is get something to poke in there and push it through. Okay, so what we did is I got a toothpick. And it's going to take each little hole, push it through, push it through, push it through, push it through. Not all coming out. These are the kind of projects you just have to be patient on. And you can't get it from one side, then I go to the other side. Not that way. Yeah, that's better. Push one way, push the other way. So, see, it's off. Yep. Right, got it all off. Okay, all the paint's off. All right, so now that I got the paint off, I'm gonna rinse off any excess soap I have, including the simple green. Make sure that's all rinsed off so there's no residue. Okay, so I just rinsed it off, and now I'm just gonna wipe it down with a rag. First, I'm gonna start with the frames. Just dry them off best I can, and then wipe off the dry what I can here. Some excess water off. This isn't the best towel. This is just a rag stuff. Just gonna get as much excess as I can off. Then, better. Then you set them out in the sun to dry. Okay. All right, everybody. So that's how you clean the paint off of a window screen after you've probably painted that room and you happen to have paint on the window screen like we did. So we're able to remove it, and looks great. Was able to wash it. I'm just going to put it back up. So, guys, thank you for watching our video. Take care. God bless, and I'll catch you next time. See ya. Bye.